Hey, Chris here from Uniworks Design. I had a little cable snappage on my 1998 Boxster. So I got new cables, which were incredibly expensive. I was surprised, even with the Porsche tax. But here's what they look like. And when I was in there, I noticed that the leaf screens that I sell, that I designed, these guys right here, they were all filled with gook and gummy stuff and whatnot. So I took them out and I cleaned them. It was incredible what came out of there. There was also a small pool of water inside. So I'm glad I did that and got rid of that water. That's a good thing. So I just wanted to remind everybody to check those drain screens. If you bought them from me, if you didn't, you should, because it will stop that from clogging. With regular maintenance, of course. And I also sell the brush that goes down there to clean the drains out as well. That works quite well. They're both in the web shop. But I just wanted to stress to make sure that you clean these guys out. So I avoided a potential disaster here, because once they overflow, it goes right into where the computer is underneath the driver's seat, and that's a big mess. So stay safe out there, have fun, drop that top and get out and drive. Cheers.